special guest is here. Deal with them. Where are the orphans? She doesn't know.
I did.
What I had to.
Very.
A better place now.
You're a monster.
I built us a home and kept us safe.
Help me!
Plotting to
Destroy.
the only heaven you or I
Will ever get. I had hoped your time in the case would help you see.
reason. I see now.
This was my fault. You act like a child because
The child,
is what they made you.
You're hurting me.
don't be afraid.
I can fix you. I
Can make
you.
better.
And you, the outsider,
Butcher,
they call you. Shall we see what you look like?
wrong side out.
Don't touch.